What is up, guys? Today I will be bike riding. So let's get started. I don't have any fancy gear, so my bad if this view sucks. So yeah, let's go. Hotspot. Oh! That hurt. Shaking it. Woo! Let's see if I can do this with the front. Oh! That was weak. Alright, my bad. I canceled the video because how shaky it was. So we're back on the bike. And we're just gonna be chilling, riding around, like I just said. Woo! I feel like I'm gonna crash. Oh, that hurt. I'm trying to get some fancy gear so I can record better bike riding videos. But that costs like $60 that I poorly just found out from Siri. So, yeah, I'm gonna be making way more bike riding videos, which is gonna be super fun. I have like a dirt bike helmet on right now, since I'm not trying to show my face at all. I have to keep it on here. Oh, just look at this. Oh. I'm holding this with one hand. I'm shaking. This is way too shaky. In my other bike riding videos, when I get good equipment to do it, instead of just holding it with my phone, we'll like go other places. It would be super cool. So yeah, what if I just end this video? So I did end up crashing. So we don't talk about that. So yeah, peace.